A cheap and widely available drug can help save the lives of patients seriously ill with coronavirus. The low-dose steroid treatment dexamethasone is a major breakthrough in the fight against the deadly virus, UK experts say. The drug is part of the world's biggest trial testing existing treatments to see if they also work for coronavirus. It cut the risk of death by a third for patients on ventilators. For those on oxygen, it cut deaths by a fifth. Had the drug had been used to treat patients in the UK from the start of the pandemic, up to 5,000 lives could have been saved, researchers say.
I feel just eternally grateful to the NHS, the researchers, and I couldn't have got through it without my husband at the end of the day. And if anybody, we're all human at the end of the day. If you could help in any way, you will. Because without trying these things, we're not, the researchers, us, no one's going to get anywhere in finding out the right drugs to help the pandemic that's happening and still going on. As we're coming through it, but I'm just eternally grateful and will be for the rest of my life.
I know it's one of these things that just they plucked names probably from a hat of some description, an electronic hat, and which I think is what the doctor said to me at the time. And I said, well, that's fine. I said, I'm grateful the fact that she's got that opportunity, or we've got that opportunity. So, yeah, I feel probably I did feel a little bit lucky, if I'm honest.
When I started being awake and came from ICU, I remember them saying to me vaguely about the drug trial, and I thought, you know, if anything can help, go for it. So I can't reiterate enough how eternally grateful I am to the NHS, researchers, my husband for getting me through it, and the support from my family and friends as well. I wouldn't be here, I wouldn't be alive. So, thank you.
And it could be of huge benefit in poorer countries with high numbers of COVID-19 patients. The UK government has 200,000 courses of the drug in its stockpile and says the NHS will make dexamethasone available to patients. Prime Minister Boris Johnson said there was a genuine case to celebrate a remarkable British scientific achievement, adding, "We have taken steps to ensure we have enough supplies, even in the event of a second peak." Chief Medical Officer for England Professor Chris Whitty said it would save lives around the world. About 19 out of 20 patients with coronavirus recover without being admitted to hospital. Of those who are admitted, most also recover, but some may need oxygen or mechanical ventilation. And these are the high-risk patients dexamethasone appears to help. The drug is already used to reduce inflammation in a range of other conditions, including arthritis, asthma and some skin conditions. And it appears to help stop some of the damage that can happen when the body's immune system goes into overdrive as it tries to fight off coronavirus.